everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Say hi. I hope you're all feeling well this afternoon. So this is what I would like to call a spontaneous video. I was literally about to unpack all the bits and bobs that I bought for Cooper today, and then I just thought I should film this. This should be a video. So it's super spontaneous. I was like, oh god, I'll have to go and put some makeup on, and then I thought, you guys don't care if I have makeup on, at least I don't think you do. So hey, we're here, we're fresh faced. My baby is covered in dribble and lunch, and we're keeping it real for you. We are keeping it real for you on this video, guys. So he's just gonna sit there and entertain himself, and I'm gonna show you what I got in my baby boy haul, and then we'll move on to having a little clear out and a little baby boy organisation. Oh my gosh! He's just buzzing for the whole thing. So, let's go on with it. Primarily, I got things from Primark, and I got things, from H&M. I think I'll start with H&M. There we go. Like I said, this is not a polished video, guys. I'm literally just showing you what I got. And then we're going to have a little sort out. Yes, we are. So what did we get in H&M? Well, hold on, because a few of these bits for my 4-year-old. So let's get those bits out the way. If we can show those to Leo later, can't we? What? You got so much to say. So H&M, the first thing I knew, basically the reason I did a big baby boy shop today is because he is moved on to the next phase. So he's been wearing 6 to 9 months, and he's officially grown out of them. Especially in his sleep suits, his little toes are like basically coming out of his sleep suits. So it's definitely time to upgrade to 9 to 12 months. Ironically, the one thing I did not get today was sleep suits. There wasn't even a single sleep suit in Primark. Can we just take a minute to really think about that? Not a single sleep suit in Primark. There was some in the girls section, like some pink ones, I think. Right. Not very good for us boy mums, so is it? Honestly, I was in shock. So yeah, the main thing I actually needed did not get purchased, but it's it's fine, because we've got so much other stuff. If you are a follower, you'll know that he literally lives in the H&M ribbed leggings, and I always get questions about them, but in my opinion, there is no cuter baby boy outfit than a little pair of ribbed leggings and an oversized sweater. He just couldn't look cuter in it. So he has so many of these in his drawer, but they're all getting too small. So I got him the next size up. And these H&M ribbed leggings are part of their 3 for 2 thing that they do, you know, with the basics range. Because I did 3 for 2, I ended up getting loads. I got, this is like a lovely grey colour, and then 2 in like an oatmeal, 1 in a lovely sort of green colour, and a couple of brown. So he will literally wear those every day. I mean, he's not wearing them right now, so I kind of sound like a hypocrite, but I swear he does wear them a lot. And then, because I love a little oversized sweater, I got him this. This was £8. How cute. Just thought it was really cute. And those are the bits I got from H&M. Moving on to Primani. Like I said before, I was in a state of shock at the lack of sleep suits. But obviously it's also grown out of all of his vests. So yeah, I got 2 packs of vests. This is quite cute. Patterns on this one's a bit more neutral. Pack of 7 short sleeve bodysuits, £7.50. Can't argue with that. So he now has 14 that will fit you. Because look, these are getting so small. So we need to sort those out, don't we, mate? Primark also had this whole stand of like tracksuits, baby tracksuits, where you pick a sweater and the matching joggers, and there were so many adorable prints, but the prints that I liked the most, a lot of them didn't have the 9 to 12 months, which is a shame, apart from this one print. So this is the sweater, just really neutral and basic, a lot of cute little words on it, and then you can pick up the matching joggers as well. Like I said, there was a whole stand of them with loads of cute like animal prints and stuff, but a lot of the ones that I went to, they just didn't have 9 to 12. Obviously a very popular size. And I saved the best for last. This is my buy of the day to make up for the fact that I didn't get many sleep suits and he'll be having tight toes for the foreseeable future. You looking for this? Oh my god. Roll necks. Roll neck jumpers for my 9-month-old baby. Now I've seen it all. A pack of 2. Well done, Primark. Like, H&M used to do roll necks for little ones and they stopped ages ago, and I remember being really upset about it. But now look, Primark has saved the day, and you get a pack of 2 for £4. They're literally £2 each. Tell you what, I cannot wait to get him in this. I mean, if I put him in this, I'd have to take a photo instantly because the dribble would ruin the look. But how cute, just how cute. Can't wait to try those on. Are we gonna have a little sort out? Yeah? Basically what we need to do is we need to remove all of the 6 to 9 months. Yes, we do. Decide what mummy's gonna keep and decide what's going to go to people who need it. Yeah? Yeah? And then we'll put away our new things. If Cooper outgrows things, if it's basics and stuff that, you know, hold no sentimental value, I always give them away to to a charity or a shelter or something like that, someone who will really need them and use them. But if they are somewhat sentimental, I might decide to keep them, you know, just in case. Okay, welcome to Cooper's wardrobe. Oh, good grief, this does need a sort out, doesn't it? Not looking very Marie Kondo right now. So what I'm going to do first is go through the top rail, and like I said, I will sort out what doesn't fit, what I'm going to keep, and what is going to be donated. So that's the first thing I'm going to do, is go through that top shelf. Yes, can I help you? Okay, that's looking sparse. More went than I thought it would, and then I realised I had this whole tray full of like dribble bibs, which we don't wear. They actually give him a rash, so some of them have never even been used. So I'll sort through those and see what can be donated. But yeah, I'm left with not much in the wardrobe. But I've just remembered this can be added in as well. This tracksuit I got 2 days ago in Tesco, F&F. How cute is that? So next up, we'll hang up the new things. Yes, we will. With 2 pieces like this, I'll always hang up the sweater and then put the matching joggers inside and up and over so that the set can hang together. So they're always together. Right, moving on to this middle section. To be honest with you, I don't really know what's going on here. I mean, there's a Halloween costume in here. A pack of wipes. Oh good, I need wipes. I mean, the Halloween costume is not sentimental and does not need to be kept. So I think I was trying to make like a lotions and potions box. We've got loads of bioskin stuff that we were sent. Yeah, it looks like this is like there's cotton wool, baby powder. So this is obviously a creams and various lotions and potions. So I'll keep that as is. However, this one is Muzzy's, and I literally don't use muslins anymore. Like, he's just got to that age where they're just not really needed. So I think, and these are literally not used. Some of them are beautiful, like look at that. So that can absolutely be donated. There's one, I think it's this one. This is the same as his Stinky Muzzy. If you know who Stinky Muzzy is, if you know, you know. So I'm going to keep that in case Stinky Muzzy ever goes missing. I don't know what to do with that box now. The box is kind of going spare. I'm sure I'll think of something in a minute. Down here at the bottom, what have we got, Coopy? We have got... Okay, so this is kind of like bed sheets and beyond. But a lot of these sleeping bags he's grown out of. He's grown out of that one. He's grown out of that one. That is for a crib sheet, towel, dressing gown. This is a real mismatch. Another dressing gown. Okay, right, all of these crib sheets can go in a pile, can most certainly be donated. I think I'll turn this bottom one into towels and put Cooper's dressing gowns and towels into there. Now this second box, I don't really know what's going on here, to be honest. Okay, we've got lots of nappies. We've got a baby carrier, which is like my spare one that I've never used. A hat that's too small for him. So all these summer hats can be donated because they're not going to fit his big head. Little swimmers, we'll keep those. Oh, his bunny hat. Oh, I forgot I had this. Do you know what? I might turn this little box into the hat box. So I'll put Bunny in there. And the little reindeer hat. Here is a much more organised wardrobe. Okay, now to tackle this chest of drawers, which is where the rest of his clothes are. Sleep suits, but obviously he didn't manage to get myself any sleep suits, so we'll ignore that. But one thing I will show you is how I roll my sleep suits. As you can see, all my sleep suits are rolled in the Marie Kondo way, so I do get some questions about how to do it, so I just thought I'd show you really quickly. Okay, so I always do up the top button just because it makes it easier to all stay together. But what you need to do is you need to put the feet together and you need to fold in the sides. So basically you want to make it like as narrow as you can, like that. Then you're just gonna put the arms in so it's all nice and narrow, and then you just start from the feet and you just roll. There you go. Got yourself a little rolled sleep suit. If you're wondering what the singing is behind us, it's that, okay? Just try and ignore. So yeah, don't need the top drawer because I have nothing to add, is the sad truth. But second drawer, not looking very Marie Kondo right now. Kind of feel like I got your hopes up with the first drawer and now I've let you down. But yeah, this second drawer is for bottoms, so trousers, leggings, that kind of thing. Loads of which do not fit anymore, so the first thing I need to do is have a sort through. So these are his old ribbed leggings, which I'm going to keep all of them because I love them so much, and if I ever have another one I will 100%, look at those, I will 100% use them again, so I'm going to keep those. And then these are all joggers, so I just need to see which ones fit. If I decide that they do fit, again, with the Marie Kondo rolling, you just put both legs together, and much easier than the sleep suits, you just roll.
Diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh?
So onto his new vest now, and I'll just show you how I roll the vest. So you just lay it out like so, and you need to put that side in, then you need to put that side in. So you need to make it narrow and straight, and then you can roll. Are you loving the backing music, by the way? It's great, isn't it?
And sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me?
we're done. I'm pretty sure we are done. I can't believe how much clothes are out there on the landing. A massive box to be donated, big box to go to me or my sister-in-law who's also pregnant. But yeah, I will give a little quick sweep around the room and show you. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Even though we're looking a bit fresh-faced and raw today, we don't care. Definitely need to change this vest though. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, guys, and we will see you in our next video. We go. Mwah!